What's up, dudes? My name is Avery, you can call me Mochi, and I'm just at the breakfast table here eating my cereal. And I found this video on my computer that I made a while back. I made it as a final project for my government class, and I got 100 on it, and I might have been the only one to get 100 on it? I don't know. But I figured since it's a video, it's probably YouTube worthy, so maybe this will help some people out in your schooling and things of that nature. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the endeavors of 6 months ago Mochi. Imagine this for a moment. You're sitting in your bedroom at 3 a.m. chugging espresso as you finally type the last sentence of your government paper. It's a wonderful feeling, isn't it? You can finally go to sleep. The problem is you're a slave to technology and you have to check your social media before you snooze. So you log on and look at the trending section. What? How could this be? Congress has banned political smack talk on the internet. Now, how will your friends know how you feel about that huge wall going up next year? Who's going to listen when you complain that Mrs. Clinton never emailed you back? Who's going to tell the world that Harambe was behind 9/11? For the record, this is an absurd example. Congress would never pass such a ridiculous law, and that's how you know this is a high school government project. Anyways, you realize that, hey, isn't there a part of the Constitution that says I can write whatever I want? Why, yes, there is. So you decide that you want to get the dumb law changed. How do you start? Well, first, you'll need a lawyer and some quality time in Washington, D.C. Your case will be one of about 5,000 cases that the Supreme Court of the United States is asked to hear every year. The 9 justices, or 8 if you're watching this while Obama is president, will review whether there's a clear dispute in the case, which there is because Congress may be violating the Constitution, whether the person making the case has standing, which you do because the new law affects you personally, and, most importantly, whether they have jurisdiction in the case, which they do, because checks and balances is a thing. So let's say that your case is one of the 200 cases the Supreme Court will hear this year. What happens next? Well, if a lower court has already heard your case, the court has to turn over all records and documents from the trial. Then your lawyer and Congress's lawyer duke it out in front of a judge. Unfortunately, the court rarely decides a case based on what the lawyers say. More weight is given to the written briefs filed beforehand, as well as friend of the court briefs, or statements by people who want the court to consider other aspects of the case. And the most weight of all is given to rulings the court had made previously. This is called stare decisis. Because of this, past Supreme Court decisions rarely get overturned. Once the court has reviewed all this information, they meet in private to debate the case until a simple majority of the justices come to the same decision. Congratulations! Congress's law was declared unconstitutional and you're free to question the government again. The justices who agree with this opinion write a collective statement, called the majority opinion, that explains why they ruled the way they did. The justices on the other side of the decision then have the option to write a minority opinion. Then it's all over, and you can go back to your trolling in peace.